Hi everyone, thanks for clicking on the video. Today I'm going to go over the startup business plan bundle that's available on Accounting Excel. But before I do that, make sure you find the subscribe button, subscribe to the channel so you can check out the rest of the videos, and also go to the Accounting Excel store and check out all the downloads that we have available, Excel templates that are available for accounting and finance professionals. If you need something that's in Excel, we might have a template for it, so check that out. You might find it helpful. So go ahead and get started with this. So this startup business plan bundle is available at Accounting Excel, and the link is going to be in the description. So the Accounting Excel startup business plan bundle, what it comes with is it comes with a business plan Word template, comes with a business plan PowerPoint template, a 3-year financial forecast template for a services-based company, 3-year Excel financial forecast template for a product-based company, questions to consider. I put together 70 questions that are going to help you think through your business plan. And basically you're just going to answer those questions, go through each section of the business plan. That's going to help you think things through and help give you content for what you need to put into your business plan. And then it also comes with 3 example business plans, which all include a financial model, a Word document, and a PowerPoint presentation for each one of those business plans. So it comes with a Word template. The Word template, I have a tutorial that kind of goes through the 10 elements of a good business plan. And the Word template is just going to lead you through those 10 elements of the business plan. So it goes through the executive summary, the company description, the market and industry analysis, competitive analysis, products and services, marketing and sales, operations plan, the management team, financing, and then the financial forecast. So I'll leave a link to that tutorial video in the description so you can check that out. And here's just kind of a preview of what the Word template looks like. So we're looking here at the company description. It just kind of helps with the flow of the business plan, so you kind of go through and fill things out, and it's kind of formatted so that you can just enter in your information. And then looking at the competitive analysis, you can see where you're just going to enter your competitors and kind of come up with your competitive advantage and how you stick out as it relates to those competitors. And it also has a PowerPoint template that goes through the exact same 10 elements of the business plan. So it's really nice to have presentation so you can show other people what your business plan looks like. And this is just an example of the PowerPoint template. So here I have an overview of the 10 elements of the business plan. That's one slide, and then the financial projection slide. And this is just a basic template. You can kind of change the themes and things like that to make it fit with whatever business you want. And then it comes with the financial forecast templates that are available for the product-based company or the services-based company. And what those do is it really automates your financial forecasting. So I put together 2 videos that go through the financial forecasts. So there's a video for each financial forecast, one for the product-based company and one for the services-based company. So I'll leave the links to those videos in the description, and I'll also put the link to the actual downloads for the forecast in the description. And then this is just a preview of the questions to consider, kind of what it looks like. It's just going to lead you through each section of your business plan and give you questions to think about, help you along the way, give you some things to write down so that you'll have content to put into your business plan. And then here's some examples of the business plan templates that I put together. I put the 3 examples in a PowerPoint presentation, and this is just kind of a preview of what those look like so you can see. So there's a business plan for a consulting company, an HVAC company, and a t-shirt sales company. Okay, and that's all we had today. So make sure you subscribe to the channel, go to the store, check out what we have at the store. I'll put the link in the description to the business plan bundle so that you can download that. All the links that you're going to need for the business plan bundle are going to be in the description, and we'll see y'all next time.